Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be sharing the latest release from Scrap Diva Designs. This was released on September 1st of this year, and I will go through all of the products that I received from this collection. I believe I got the entire collection, and I will be sharing one video every week for the upcoming month here of September. And if you find something you like, I will have a link down below to Scrap Diva Designs shop, so you can go check them out a little bit more. And if you haven't seen the amazing design team that Scrap Diva Design has, I highly recommend following their YouTube channel, their Instagram, maybe their TikTok as well, and you will get ton of inspiration every day from Erica, the owner of Scrap Diva Design, and her amazing design team. So I'm so honored to be back guest designing for her. This is really one of my favorite companies, and she's so sweet and sent so many products for me to play with this month. So I'm sorry, there is a large sticker, and I believe that is for like the purpose of not being copied by other brands, or maybe that's the wrong way of saying it, but I don't know exactly, but I think it's that I shouldn't show the entire thing on camera. But what this is a cute little ghost, and I can insert a picture if I remember up here from her website, so you can see how it looks. As I said, I just got this in the mail, so I haven't had time to play with it yet, but I will. And I will actually play with it tonight, and I will see if I can upload this video today, and maybe you can comment down below which of these you want me to start with. So this is a cute bow, a spider bow number 2. So that makes me guessing maybe she has one number 1, probably. So go check that out as well. I have seen some sneak peeks of this and it looks really amazing. Look at this. This is 3 pieces and a spider that comes in 2 pieces as well. And it's a spider web mini album. So you can create an album, you guys, and then you can probably put something here to hold it together, right? So that it would be perfect. And then we have probably the most exciting thing that I found in this collection, and that is this witch hat box. And it has 2 words, hocus pocus, I believe it says. And then we have the box and all the parts to create it. So I will be playing with this. Can't wait to share what I come up with this one. I have so many ideas about it. And I'm sorry if you hear something in the background. My kids are home and they are just about to go to bed in a minute or so. And this is witch broom shakers. So it's 2 different size or 2 different styles of brooms. So you get an outline here. And then you have the shaker parts that you can fill with goodies. And if you haven't noticed yet, this is a Halloween themed release. And this beautiful spiderweb memory box shaker. So you can see I have 1 piece here that could be just a shaker. And then we have this one that also can be a shaker. And then we got some spiders here with the layering pieces. This is just so cute. Can't wait to play with this one as well. And I like to create cards, so I probably will create cards with this as well. And this is a fun one. I don't think I have anything like this in my stash. This is the Halloween mini album. I know when I watched the website, I saw that she had a previously released a couple of other ones. So if you like this one, you can find even more on the website. This is also very cute. It's called Voodoo Doll Mini Album. So another mini album here. So we had... I probably should have ordered this. This is the spider web. We had a voodoo doll, and then we have this one, mini album. So all of those are albums. That is so cute. And then we have this one. Oh, this is a shaker plate, I think. Little spooky Halloween shaker plate. So this creates the filler for your like shakers. So that is so cute. We have some bats in different shapes, some skulls and some ghosts. And some more spiders and some dragonflies, I believe. And then we have this one, Halloween pocket tag, so cute. We have the little coffin here, and then the tag that you will flip over, I believe, so you can have it closed. So that is super cute. And trick or treat, and I believe it's a spider back here as well. And then we have this one, Halloween words number 4. So there has been previously released a couple of Halloween sets, I believe. And I can't read all of these, but trick or treat, spooky, yeah, and so on. Vibes, I think. So you can pair this up and have them like that. And this one is a large one, and it's Which Shoes Yellow Bag. So you have the little bag here. It's like a totem bag or whatever you want to call it. It's just adorable, and you have a little tag here with the Which Shoes. I believe this is the bottom part. The sides, a little label maybe, and this could be for this one maybe, for the topper of it, so have it to hang in that. And yeah, a scalloped like edge for your handle here for the bag. That is so cute. And then we have this one. I'm super excited about this. If you follow my channel, you probably know that I like creating cards. And this is a super cute stamp set. And what is it called? Probably have a name somewhere here. I can't find it, but you can see it has all of these cute ghosts and a bat and a web and fun words that you can stamp. And then there is coordinating dice as well. I believe these come together. You have to check the website. I am a little bit unsure, but we can check that out together. So I hope you liked this video and got inspired to check out Scrap Diva Designs products if you haven't seen them before. And I will have links down below both for her shop as well as her YouTube channel because it's amazing. So you have to check that one out. Yeah, I'll be back soon with some content with these products. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!